Today on Sounds of the Subcontinent for December 15th of the year 2024, I'm going to be focusing on the mysticism of the music of the Indian subcontinent, and in particular for the next two episodes, Sufism. And so that means some of the poets of that era, some of the music that has been influenced by the poets of that era, and then also some going through of the readings, the spiritual, philosophical, and musicological writings that relate to that genre. So tune in to Sounds of the Subcontinent, Sunday from 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern on WCBN FM Ann Arbor 88.3. You can listen online, streaming by going to WCBN.org. Tune in. Peace.